Second, guidance program is responsive to the student's needs. So basically, ang guidance program addresses the developmental needs of the students and even their clients. Kino-consider din ng guidance personnel at ng guidance program ang unique cultural context at pinanggagalingan ng mga clients or ng mga estudyante. Base kung ano ang kanilang kinalakihan at kung saan sila lumaki at kung saan sila nanggaling. Ang guidance program is always based on regular and systematic assessment ng mga pangangailangan ng mga estudyante. And also, it is a continuous process mula sa implementation ng first day of class hanggang sa evaluation or sa dulo ng isang academic year. Guidance programs and activities are systematically planned and systematically developed para ma-ensure na nai-implement ng mabuti at nami-meet ang mga pangangailangan ng mga estudyante based sa kung ano yung assessment na lumabas. So, para ma-meet ang students' needs, hindi lamang guidance counselors ang nagtatrabaho o ang kakolaborate dito. So, para ma-meet ang students' needs na sinasabi, hindi lamang guidance counselors ang gumagawa nito solely. Guidance programs and activities are being designed and being implemented not only by guidance counselors but with the help and collaboration from other experts and members of the community. Kasama na dito ang syempre mga teachers, mga parents as well, the administrators, and other members of the educational institutions, mga nurses, mga academic heads, even the non-teaching personnel, and as well as the auxiliary members of the institutions. Kasama na dito ang mga psychologists, psychiatrists, social workers, doctors, and even other members of the community as well.